Do what?
Go ahead, baby. Make it happen. Hey, how about photos? How about a video? Hang on.
Come on, chingo.
Just hit play. Hit play and it will happen.
I'm going to start eating all the oats.
Okay, ready?
Alright, so thank you very much for coming today.
Oh, thank you very much.
I think you are. What the hell that means anyway?
Alright, so let's open your oyster.
Yes, ma'am.
He is the virgin.
Holy shit.
Yes, I am.
You just kill an animal, man.
Alright, yeah, but actually they are not alive anymore. Alright, so could you
That's not good to know.
3, 2, 1.
There's nothing.
3, 2, 1.
There's nothing. I'm gonna eat it.
Alright, so are you ready to count? 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, I'm ready to come.
3, 2.
I'm ready to come.
Yeah.
And let's find you on
And I didn't come.
Alright, you mean
I came.
That was mine. I picked that one.
Fuck you.
I get the drink.
Alright, I'm gonna try to go just to go but alright, let me clean up.
I came.
Alright, so let's
She said, are you ready to come? I said I just came.
It's like
What's the value of that? $7?
I'm sorry, we are not professional jurors, so I can't tell you about it.
Gotcha.
Alright, let me clean up, ready?
But you know what? It's a memory of us.
Is it real pearl?
I'm gonna give it to Jacqueline.
You should.
Here we go. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。
So which one was it?
7 and a quarter.
That's right on the
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
By the way.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hey, let's get out of here, please.